Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell 2000 Futures Review. My name is Martin Rhymes with coffee in hand. Today's date is Tuesday, February 25, 2014. All right, I got up before the rooster today. Now, I want to ask you to please check out the website because I've got the boot camp coming up on March 1. Now, this is an all-day intensive, 6 hours. Okay, I also record this, and that way you have access to it so you can refresh yourself on what the concepts were discussed. Now, 6 hours. So, in any of the public webinars I do for free, I do share a lot in that 1 hour, but obviously I can't share everything because time limitations. I designed the 6 hours to address what I would have liked to have seen when I first started out. I really think that this is very beneficial for anyone trying to understand trend and momentum trading. Okay? Now, this is the website. Go to the contact page. You can sign up for weekly blog update and Rooster Call. Now, Rooster Call, I'm just getting ready to write it now. Basically, I'll look at the overnight action on the charts. I'm going to look at the news wires and write just a very brief note to clients and just say, okay, here's what we need to be aware of. I send this to clients. I'd like to send it to you for free. All right? Very good. Now, remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Let's go to the charts. So here's the daily TF. And number one, first off, we're getting a diagonal trend line break. Now, let me just blow this up. Let's look at the price action. Notice how resistance is holding. Okay, resistance is certainly holding. And this is the pullback line. I moved it just slightly to capture the bottom of this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay, so if we break below this pullback line, it's pretty easy to say we're going to go to 1158. Okay, 1158 with the potential to drop down to this 1142. Now, the thing about price, you drop down through here and it's like a slippery slope. It wants to go to the next support level. Okay, so this 1166 area is very important. Again, breaking through that, we're looking for a run to, let's just call it, well, it's the main floor pivot. What is that? 1157. Okay, 1157.3 actually, but we'll just say 1157 area. Okay, now our trend and momentum remain strong. Just because we have diagonal trend line break doesn't mean we're going to go all the way down. Okay, but what we're watching for on this is a cross of the 100. Okay. We're meanwhile just being given a heads up that upward momentum is leaving. Okay. All right. Now, let's look at the intraday chart. Okay, so here is a 10 range bar chart, So I just drew these lines this morning here and here. And before I get into this, recall over the weekend, I said Monday, we're going to probably see price, if we break through this green wedge thing, see the lines of green wedge, that we're going to run up to this guy. Well, we did, and you can see there's lots of consolidation there before, boom, up we go. Okay, and then as soon as they get it up on this enthusiasm in all of Ukraine, then all of a sudden they look around, it's like, okay, I'm selling. Why are you selling? Well, because I'm scared. And this is what happened. So today is very important. We have to see follow through from yesterday, meaning we need to see actually a higher high than this level right here. Okay. Now, I just drew this, and look at what price is trying to do. Trying to break down. Okay, trying to break down. This wedge is important. If we break down here, my goodness, do you see this elevator drop? Boom. Okay. Now, didn't I say something about 1158 on that daily chart? 1157. That's around right here. It was 1157.3. Okay. Now, look at over here. I mean, I don't want to give you too many things to look at, but here is a retest of lows. Okay. Okay. So if we drop, we're likely going to drop to this floor pivot and retest these lows. That's a possibility. But the main thing here is, on this range bar chart, the trend is down. This tells me it's down strongly. Granted, it's early. It's only not even 6:30 in the morning. But if we see this thing continue to drop, we expect it to go to the floor pivot. And then I just showed you on the daily chart 1157. Now let me look at that one more time. What is the low of yesterday? The low of yesterday is 1159.6. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Now, in the event that we burst to the upside, we've got to clear this line here and the 1172 area. You know, it is so helpful in day trading to identify these levels. It really is. It really is. And if it's tight like this, I mean, my own rule is if it trades less than two points or less, I don't want to trade it, because this animal likes to move. And if it's stuck like this, the time you get in, guess what? You think it's going to go down, it'll pop right back up. Okay, you think it's going to go up, it's going to pop back down. So just have patience and let this resolve. It will resolve. Okay, now if we go to the upside and break through this line, then people are going to get excited. And the first thing they're going to try to do is a retest of this high. Now, breaking this, moving higher, is an extremely positive development. Okay, it really is. It's a very big time positive development. All right, so this is it. Trade well, trade carefully. I love the range bar charts. Price is telling you, hey, I'm moving. Okay. All right, I'll talk to you later.